All right, guys, it's wine time, and I want to crack open this bottle of wine. I don't want to use this because I don't know how. So I'm going to use this awesome toy. This is the Oster cork remover. It's got a battery. It actually belongs over here, and it charges up with this thing. Plugs right in the back. Boom, just like that. I'll leave this be. We'll come over here. I'll pop her on. Put a little bit of pressure. Just hit the down button. You can see the cork's already coming right into my hand. There she is, right there. To remove it, I'm just pushing the down button. She'll spit it right out. It's like magic. Welcome to my magic show. Now it is time to enjoy. Bon appetit.